Oh, maybe you.
Ɛno deɛ no na
Maybe you.
yɛdi nkɔmmɔ wɔ ha about Aswase, specifically Roma amena bi ana ɛda kwan anim ana ɛdidi yɛsɛ wode wɔseɛ yɔyɔ ɛkɔkɔyɛ report a ɛba ne sɛ ɛsan abubu woyɛ awɛ sɛ adwuma no a woyɛ no ɛsan abubu.
You go with the Dicamachia at TM4 Namatan and I'm paying for more than 10 now. Now, Machia, only word Juma, a Fonso, a Juma Moyano, a certainly, a boas and Timai Boagana, my a boy, yourself, and I be breeze. So, Tiabeda must somewhere very proactive also. Because I quite know I'm a coyano. And Rich, Namijina, and Rich, me call. Now, there about I think, say, even they create a lot of message, Franco for cry. Oh baby, I don't know. You see, the car now say motor nearby. You are not an Indian hotel. You want to order for boom now, turn out to a plane baby. So I think. The cars maybe make more car once and can say what broken.
Yeah.
To me, prayer about rules in the one for your measurement TV. Yeah, they bring a home bills in our buy. Am I it your car? A mom coyer, what you mean? You know, I'm a public community engagement, which is enriched. It came up, say, I did not say. Now, as a leader, no, say, I did a tua ho ka na sɛ wama ɔre ama contractor ayɛ ho adwuma ayɛ nkrata awie na sɛ yɛkasa sasa ya wontumi nka sɛ o sɛ tena office ahwɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ne yɛyɛ na ayɛ yi na biribiara akɔ so deɛ asɛ ne deɛ wɔma yɛ awie time a bia become bia na ɔkɔyɛ but sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛyɛ no ne busumi mmienu busumi mmiɛnsa sasa ya then it's a call to work the next sɛ mekɔhwɛ adwuma ɔmu yɛyɛ no na mekɔ compared to the quantities no bills no and your man no tell be ya me ka ho asem a batimi eden aka ho asem go say aban mu no say calculate a cubic meter na say a square meter of concrete bia etuaka
okay
ye kan bia ho asem a etuaka ye kan dado ho asem a etuaka e bia no ye kan mako nti na ye say me ko hwe say ade omo ye no e duru say me fa bill na me hwa ye ka say be concrete na me hunu say ego ho na ya ye na abu ana say ye hu and as me satisfy me say latride no mu hwe e guys mo be ya as mu say latride na ba na say ba say anwa was it the quarry that was it the normal latride was it the black soil and I have to ascertain it myself before I call the contractor and deal with the contractor and the engineers in it and see makwa kohwe amma ma hu say no kwa na no kwa kwa san call the other side who's a bridge chrono mu ye na no a sign kwa kusi me one before
yeah
that's our linkage ana ani no yes no okọ another part of the road no so there's another lane so what and also say how so no senke once as I say grace na che that area ho no and me nya Garden City of West Africa no and ade a check akra o je time Garden City of West Africa ba na yes I drains ni na no. Well, if it is managed well, a bit me as a stand the test of time. But unfortunately, whether it was mismanaged or then I don't know a form it is given in will be into me. I said you will be informed so on the metric. It is an apple, but it definitely no. You better the other approach in the area because ever was by and all the two approaches nearby. I say because laughing near session of which was too expensive.
Okay.
Assembly in yes, or the approach is too nearby. I don't know. A bear king, I didn't topo and block quinanka, young good concrete study, a new construction, yen to do that in Kenya for. And now say, yen stop on kakra. Na yen sum kakra, said a bay a bit in that is almost my alternative on your sum kakra. And then I be a ISA. The next one is the other approach.
So I mean, what the engineers name the Omafra actually wire ya na any 2 months across and Bugumsa.
Well, many engineers here because of no much, because now my community engagement, by a budget. So, once October, I say a budget, me upload me the into me buy any share. My friends timetable, I make community to community. And through me community budget there, I mean budget engagement and then a fee fixing and a man me call phones I know money and yenra and a day last in the year. So maybe today or Monday, no, you better not know because the engineer no crime so boys or the contractor and so come back.
Wow.
God being so good, some of the money, no, we haven't finished the payment. Ebi akam.
Wow.
Hey,
and this is serious. Sir, within a period of less than 2 months, yeah, project, Nelson Bogum. I mean, serious cost and financial loss. Say, bus a negligence on somebody's part. Are we expecting punishment?
This is not a project. Any project. Who's a terminology, no? Say, I'm really, about I'm an issue now. Where you repairs, don't the metric. A project there, yes, a different form. Na de akwa acquisition. But we at that day I da ho. Ana yakọ repair. Ana assign repairs na anyi. Ana assign akọ back to baby akọ buy.
Okay.
In this a project that can say is serious do. That why your project ni butu bi na say the just say serious pa. This is a repairs work.
And yaboka say what repair you?
Oh, I don't think they ever 10,000.
Oh, okay.
I'm 10,000 Ghana cedis. From the bills on the buy and it's party, but and you be as but 10,000 we didn't pay everything to them.
I see. Obi the message about Sisia say Kofi assembly member your area how per bobs and it doesn't mean say assembly no, that is the municipality no, more like bobs for the various communities and
But if you say Ghana, the whole country, so we cannot satisfy everything. Say like municipality, every budget be the street light, Ministry of Energy, yebi, yebi. Since the common fund, the crown so Atiki Center takes a portion of the common fund, no. Yeah, the top bulb, all the top bulb, and I am from assemblyman members and the first, no. Bob and the Chichama assembly members in Nanka assembly member be the big electoral area. Now we don't do that again.
Okay, we nipa omuboni din Gideon Okan Aswanse West say or bobs to the community because omu ni bobs.
Oh, but one thing I say, I mean, honestly speaking, this thing, those people behind will stop it. It gets sometimes get on our nerves. What the major no. No more shake here, man crop said it and the messages, and they should be very careful, especially some of the assembly members. No. Because they know, Omukona say, you know, Mukasem. Now say, Omukwa, they should explain to their people. They Omun come when you assembly, no assembly, they say. They make out say, Open Boba, now open Boba, you go assemblyman, open Boba, Okachere, or Lectris. So let's say, me Bob Minebi. Sani leader. And give me this Pebina Minya, I'm saying, is that how to be a leader, how to lead? They make out say.
Because community say almost or the letter and like they are not complaining, but they are worried. Say assembly member mum the letter nam say or per bob free the people there not So what is the assembly? Because there's a letter office of the assembly member application for financial support. I humbly write to your office as a matter of urgency to tender in an application and request for street light security is the fundamental blah 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 development. I appeal to your office to support the community as a form of your social responsibility to give about bobs 10 chooks 10 foot to sell street lights bobs and needing honorable Sir Gideon Okan the telephone number BBA was here and data or the buyer. I want to confirm the date. Okay. Concerned youth or throw the comma the chairman as once concerned youth. I want to get the date right, but date no black akra. Until we message will be the send the benon.
I think that once they say they was kind back, when they say they was the letter way by, and once they two different things.
Okay.
Also, as assembly manager or per bob free assembly when is different from say or they letter number or solicited for support.
Okay.
The point of the major. Say as a member, was solicited for support today. It's not against our laws. Assembly member, no to mean community initiative. And then your friend or my Juman. Say company bi wɔ electoral area. Say factory bi wɔ electoral area. And I say ɔdefo bi kura wɔ electoral area. Mmara ma ho kwan sɛ wobɛtumi akɔ no hɔ. Na sɛ biribi etu so ne bia no. Wotumi edekɔto n'anim na ɔmutumi eboa. Wotumi kura organize fundraising. And for oya for a bo. Ɛma nkrɔfoɔ kɔ. Ɛkɔ ba ɛde ɔmo sika kɔ boaboa. Ɛma yɛde yɛ community na ɔmutumi na yɛ. And the assembly member natural lights so the nam and our toilet the nam airpay and professor of one and as one electric area no munya bulbs and as munya light and farm electric area on you find my whole yesterday and more young castayos young by I think that it's not in a wrong direction. And I didn't also know even communities there no their corporate social responsibility was they act to I parliament MP say no about some of the companies are operating within electoral areas, another within communities, another within constituencies, another within the regions. You know, they will be forced to contribute a certain amount of their profits to help develop the areas that the company is situated. And the assembly member, no, and I'm not all polite, yeah, fine. But all kind of affairs, not because also assembly member not extraction and conference, or my assembly one assembly no, in your board, but assembly man. That one I would have taken it in a different way. I can explain and ask the tangent come in a different direction. And in this sanity, so no and I'm a pebble and that's one I'm more in Tiamrebia or assembly.
Okay.
A lot in
okay, so Yan Shani say that bridge now or more rehabilitated bridge now as a Bogumano. Yan say by what period and you bet me a permanent solution at the Amano.
Well, I think say contractor na be move about the site abaya repairs over be money bill.
To wait as a urban road fund na babaye.
There be way I think over the my contractor.
Okay.
One Mabuna be na koye. And we have to get Mabuna to go and do the work. But soon say no the enya me na make offer for the free me fee di akọ. So on the media no. Hello.
Mitiopa.
Oh, the young make offer free the free office and the aqua. I mean, I make offer free free office and I said, make offer free workshop the aqua there. The way I go, we be a not night and I met him that for the aqua. Me and I normally members of my shemra and as a message, my timer, and back aqua basse. I say, me and Casamini to me. So on the picture.
Okay.
You can even give ultimatum. What the ultimatum, no man at any pan and find your juma. There's the last time I'll can and Kabono. Yeah, so. About an amount to me and I say, Wanuma Samukrano, a Jenny Mobile. And today, as I said, no, I'm going to get the urban road director to call the contractor for him to go back and check what he has. Okay. The enrich, Papa now Moton, and Yoma Homoya Kios, or Papa Man Bakokro, to know a former constituency officer was to be in constituency. Or what Blue Kios, Visana Papa Bakwa, Penuba, on which they and Yoma cost. I mean, yeah, I'm not bringing up here, city. And some a course a company the hammer that a corner.
Okay.
We were going to rectify that and I'm be there come on.
Okay. Kennedy, and pay my men was so hene. Right. So for Nkomaya that is the MC at the Asokore Mampon, right? Kennedy Kwesi can come and I'm attending Kana Haya Kuma 87.9 FM. Umpotemuni Facha Yamu original swatche and also bit me the portable issues at the abreme and now you deal with at the amount 03-224-98035 03-224-98036 98037 as also for portable and you deal with it halfway as also portable.
Kofi me watching.
Yeah.
Na yenchi phone so. Me once the last time me catch you say Santa Se Pre no mo ye.
Yeah.
Omo ye from Ura Uwas for na
okay.
Omo dwaso.
Okay.
Ana sa otra CIC hono so na
okay.
Omo dwaso. Na Kofi almost best 1 week in the contract no we sisa no manyina free o.
Aden.
Aminim. Senisika na sound.
Sa mo be man fans do. Kwan wo ko ho an be man fans. Man fans. Wa na eh.
Edimisra o. Cause I mean, your free apprentice as a contractor and was sister no manyina free so. Since so to intina bia.
Yeah, want to boss na won fans.
Enti Kofi wo kan intina wo kan wote. Enti na o jai edimisra wa. Ka chen say fans na jai.
Jai man.